Alright, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to TWR. My name is Tavian. This is my world of reptiles. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourselves. We're going to do a little feeding video here with my African house snakes. Gonna get one of these here hoppers. Boom, like that one there. Drop it in there like so. See what happens. Hey, little mousy. Go on over there. Get. No, don't. Yeah, there you go. He smell it. Oh, he on the hunt now. There he goes. There he goes. Oh man, I hope it's not in the hide, because then we ain't gonna be able to see it. I'm gonna have to lift that hide up. I'm gonna get that hide out of here, bro. Oh, there we go. Oh, he on it. Oh, no, oh, you missed it. Try again. Try again. Oh, you way back there now. Keep trying. You like, get that light out of my face, bro. Oh, he on the hunt. He is on the hunt. He's not a very great hunter, though, is he? Where you at, bud? It's over there, man. Get it. Yeah, go get it. It's back there. Go get it. Hey, man. It's back there. You were going in the wrong direction. You're getting distracted with my body heat. Man, you may not gonna feed for me, huh? Oh, you back on it. You gonna get it? Go get it. Oh. Ah, got it. Got it. Only took him forever. He didn't get a really good strike. He got the butt, but he got a good coil around it, so he should have no problem taking it out. Cool, cool. Alright, we're gonna let him chill. Put that up in there like so. Get back down there, plant. Alright, next up, we gonna do the female black. Alright. We'll go ahead and get this on out of here. Perfect. Like so. Oh, I gotta put the other one back in before too long. But we're gonna come on over here. Get one of these there hoppers. And there you go. Oh, got it. Dang. She wasn't playing no games. She was playing no games. She got it. Wow, Woot got some piddle. Got some piddle on ya. Alright, gonna let her eat. And move on to the next one. I'll put your hide back in there too after a bit. I just don't want to disturb you by trying to put it in now. Alright. Last but not least, our young boy here. Alright. Where you gonna be at? Are you gonna be in here? Yeah, you are. Hi. Hey. How's it going? Got a little something for you. Got a little something for you. You ain't playing no games either. Oh. Oh, no. You is playing games. No. Not interested, huh? Not interested? No? You ain't gonna go? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Took you a minute. Just took you a minute. Oh yeah. No, get back that way. Oh, maybe not. There you go. Oh, no, you just taking off? You don't want nothing to do with it? Nothing to do with it at all? Wow. Maybe you just don't want nothing to do with me, huh? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and close this. And, I guess I'll let you do your own thing. I guess you'll eat when you want to. Give it like an hour or so. See if you eat. There you go. Oh, that's it for the house snakes. Gonna move on. Feed some more snakes. I might cut this video with that one and go ahead and make another video with some more feeding, since this is already at like 7 minutes and some time. So, alright. Go ahead, wrap it up. Y'all take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. Love yourselves. Love all the things. And keep spreading those herbs.